Welcome back to my channel, Queens and Kings. Today I will be making a leave-in conditioner slash hair butter. Okay, we have 100% African shea butter. I already scooped it out, put it in my glass mason jar. We have olive oil. Okay, we have grapeseed oil. And I have tea tree essential oil and lavender essential oil. And I actually forgot to put the peppermint oil, but you'll see that later on in the video. Okay, here we have hot purified water, and I placed my mason jar in there. This is my double boiler method. Everyone may do it differently, but this is what I like to do. Okay, so I'm going to turn the measuring cup around so we can actually see the butter melting, okay, without the words and the numbers in the way. Now, I actually think this process is so satisfying to watch. It's very refreshing for me. Okay, so this process actually takes like 10 to 15 minutes depending on how hot your water is. Okay, so sometimes I do like to go in and mix up the little chunks that haven't melted yet. And I know, please excuse my nails. I know it's time for a fill-in, but I really wanted to do this video, and it actually came before the fill-in. So, you know, it's like that sometimes. Okay, so now that everything has melted, I will be placing the mason jar on my little paper towel, which I actually wanted to lay flat instead of having it folded up like this. Okay, so the first oil that I'm going to add to the shea butter is olive oil. Okay, olive oil softens, it strengthens, it penetrates the hair shaft, and it preserves moisture with a ton of other benefits. But that was just to name a few. Next, we are going to add our 100% grapeseed oil. Okay, which is a natural sealant. It promotes hair growth and it treats dandruff, which is excellent benefits in addition to a ton of other benefits that it has. Okay, and here goes the peppermint oil that I forgot to put in the beginning of the video, but I didn't leave it out of the video. So it increases circulation and promotes hair growth. It prevents hair loss and it prevents dryness and itching of the scalp, which is excellent. And it leaves like a cooling sensation on your scalp. Okay, next we're going to go in with the lavender oil, which promotes hair growth. It's antimicrobial. It prevents dandruff and itchy scalp, which is excellent. In addition to other great benefits that it has. And last, we're going to go in with tea tree oil, which soothes itchy scalp, reduces dandruff and flaking, improves blood flow, balances the pH, and it stimulates hair growth, which is excellent as well. In addition to tons of other great benefits that it has. Okay, so we're just going to mix that up, make sure everything's incorporated before I put it in my bottle. But later on in this video, after I use it, I did find out that the liquid does solidify. So if you're going to use this, I would suggest putting it into something that you can scoop it out instead of the bottle like I did. But me being me, I'm always going to put it in a bottle and just put it in a tub if it's a new batch. Because I just like using that, that nozzle better than putting it in my hand and raking it through my hair. Okay, and in my next video, you will actually witness seeing me use this after I have washed my hair with my African black soap shampoo. Okay. So I pour it in here, give it a little shake, and voila, that's it. Thank you guys so much for vibing with me through this video. Stay safe, stay healthy out here in this pandemic. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.